Hello everyone. The 5-day International Shooting Sport Federation (B) Coaches Course, organized under the National Rifle Association of India Education Program, successfully concluded in New Delhi. This event marked a significant advancement in enhancing India's coaching ecosystem in the sport of shooting. On the final day, 55 coaches were awarded diplomas after completing the intensive certification program. This course was the first of its kind conducted in India and globally at this scale. Following a memorandum of understanding signed last year between the ISSF Academy and the NRAI, the course was led by Vesa Nissanen, Director of the ISSF Academy and President of the Finnish Shooting Federation. It featured a diverse faculty of international and Indian experts, providing a comprehensive learning experience that went beyond technical instruction to cover athlete management, physical preparation, and long-term performance development. The instructional team included two-time Olympian Sanjeev Rajput, who led sessions on rifle shooting techniques, while Agathi Kasumi and Vidya Jadhav focused on pistol shooting techniques. Davide Secondi, the national coach of Saudi Arabia, provided specialized instruction in shotgun shooting techniques. Additionally, Sayali Manchrekar discussed the importance of physiotherapy in shooting teams, and Vijayendra Pal Singh led sessions on physical testing protocols for high-performance shooters. During the graduation ceremony, NRAI Secretary General Pawan Kumar Singh emphasized the program's long-term significance, stating that the completion of this ISSF B Coaches Course is a major milestone for Indian shooting. He noted that the NRAI education program aims to build a strong and knowledgeable coaching base to support athletes at all levels. With 55 newly certified coaches, the system's quality and depth will directly influence athlete development in the future. Vesa Nissanen expressed satisfaction with the participants' engagement, highlighting their commitment and curiosity throughout the course. He stated that the program prepares coaches for broader professional roles, including creating structured training environments and understanding athlete psychology. He acknowledged India's immense potential and noted that initiatives like this lay a strong foundation for future international success. The conclusion of the course reinforces the NRAI's vision of becoming a global hub for ISSF-certified coaches and aligns with efforts to enhance coaching standards across the nation. The graduation ceremony marked the end of a landmark initiative under the NRAI education program, paving the way for future collaborations with the ISSF Academy and ongoing capacity building within Indian shooting. Thanks for watching JMBDD News.